In this episode, we are taking a look at how news publishers can monetize their content with podcasts. Podcasting revenue is forecasted to almost triple to $4.2 billion by 2024, according to the Interactive Advertising Bureau's 2021 podcast ad revenue study, a rate faster than the growth of the total internet advertising market itself. In addition, listenership has continued to grow in parallel with the rising use of smartphones, tablets, and other connected devices, and in 2022 there are an estimated 74 million weekly podcast listeners in the U.S. On top of that, new data from the National Research Group found that while 44% of consumers have tried to cut back on spending at the grocery store amid ongoing high inflation, only 18% did so with their streaming subscriptions. This remarkable industry growth offers great revenue opportunities for news publishers. However, many smaller outlets may find the initial technical and time investments to be a barrier to getting started with the medium. Our Hometown Web Publishing, which hosts around 250 community newspaper websites, offers publishers several features that eliminate some of these barriers via AI-powered text-to-audio and automated syndication of that audio to many of the major podcasting platforms. Their audio articles playlist feature can automatically convert website content to audio and present it alongside the text articles. Additionally, this audio can be set to automatically publish to the podcast hosting platform Buzzsprout directly from the website. Buzzsprout then delivers the podcast to the directories of your choice, be that Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or others. While many larger podcasts with thousands or millions of downloads earn much of their revenue through third parties advertising on their podcast, most platforms require those high listenerships to participate. However, a local newspaper focusing on its community audience may not reach such numbers, but there are alternative ways to monetize their podcast. Two of the most attractive alternatives to third-party advertising have been introduced by the podcasting directories in the past several years: subscription and donation options. Having a subscription or donation-based model for distributing your podcast, paired with the automation of the Our Hometown Audio Articles playlist pipeline, provides publishers with a head start on the way to monetizing their news content via podcasting. Using Apple Podcasts as an example, a publisher on Our Hometown's platform pays a monthly fee of $75 per month. For the audio conversion, utilizes a free or paid tier, starting at $12 per month, on Buzzsprout depending on how much audio is being hosted, and finally a yearly fee of $20 to Apple's Podcast Connect program to then take advantage of their subscription options, although Apple does keep a percentage of the revenue. The main caveat to this process is that while all website articles are converted and syndicated to Apple Podcasts, the platform requires a subscriber audio version of the article to be hosted directly on the Apple platform in order for it to be subscription only. The easiest way to do this is to have the episodes distributed by Buzzsprout. Then on Podcast Connect you can upload a second copy of the audio file, then unpublish the episode on Buzzsprout. This assures that the audio content is only available via Apple Podcasts with a subscription. They call these bonus episodes offered as a subscription perk. To learn more about Our Hometown's audio features, visit ourhometown.com/audio articles playlists.
Today in News Tech, the podcast covering innovation in digital journalism. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe on YouTube or any of your favorite podcast apps. We'll see you tomorrow.
At Our Hometown, we help newspapers build WordPress websites, design native apps, and develop digital subscription models. If you are interested in a free prototype of your publication on WordPress, go to ourhometown.com and click the Contact Us button.